So how can you make the background appear closer on the iPhone? And let's get started. So naturally, there are some things which you might have in mind when it comes to changing the actual composition of the background. You can open up the settings app like this. Make sure you find the wallpaper section, and there is a dedicated menu for it. So you can find it like this. And in there, just scroll through your wallpaper pairs, choose the active one, and essentially just customize it. And usually you have the ability to add some widgets or change the font or color of the clock, but you can also just pinch in on the background and you will kind of make it appear closer by zooming in. So that's like one of the options or things which you might have in mind. Most definitely click on the done button to ensure the changes are applied. You can of course do it for the home screen as well by clicking on the photo right here, and the same thing can be performed. So yeah, that's the main thing. Outside of that, a lot of people might mean by the background being closer that they have a different type of the view of the entire UI. So you can also find something inside of the display and brightness, and in there you can check out the display zoom right there. And some people prefer this like zoomed in view where everything kind of appears to be closer, and this is also something which you might have in mind. So yeah, you can switch it to this if you prefer, but I like to keep it at the default. So that's how it works. Essentially everything I wanted to show you in this video. So most definitely subscribe for more and hit the thumbs up so you never miss anything important like this, and I'll catch you in the next video.